I want to tell us, say, I got foreign in the morning, you know.
We say?
Foreign.
Foreign?
Play.
You mean when they got airport?
Yeah.
Go through the airport door. Go on the plane and teleport to another destination over the Atlantic and the Pacific. That's your talk.
Yeah.
But you know what I say? Let me get a visa.
Visa coming today.
Don't tell nobody. They say too low, they know people in town.
Don't tell nobody, you know.
Are you not tell nobody? It take time talk. Now you tell me too loud.
I want to keep it a secret till me reach.
Yeah. I said they reach if you call me a member of your mother.
Yeah, what is? Sure.
Yeah, tell us my son,
Sure.
getting visa. You got a foreign man going on?
Boy, got
foreign. Yeah.
Tell the boy if you can't do some snow for
Me not tell-
and some
Yeah.
foreign breeze.
Yeah.
We want and some bar.
Me not tell nobody.
Yeah, you may tell nobody. What me that tell us a while ago? What me that tell us?
They tell me say it took out them where over White George farm
Yeah.
and it for uncle.
Yeah, and then walk out Nairo, the car overturned, flips, collapse, and catch fits.
Yeah, and
Oh.
lick the cow them.
Yeah.
Probably me years about me there.
Your years must bother you, man. Yeah, me boy, no. The last one. Yeah, my boy. Me come to me, I got
The boy favor you, man.
If I
I'm going over, boy.
Boy, me TV and go and embarrass.